And my girl, me no know if you call that. And me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back.
Yo people, wagwan, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. As you sip on the screen a while ago, you really see wagwan, you see how AI dangerous. Look how the bee just use alkaline face, use AI and master for put an alkaline face to she a kiss dog Jano. To the way how the girl and love a dog, the girl then got the extreme length. The extreme length for put in a alkaline, for make a AI for put a alkaline face. As soon as she a kiss alkaline, like she a say, yo, she a alkaline woman, yo, Jano. It's crazy how the girl them out for the database. I tell you, bro. One thing with alkaline, brother, you can't count out them man, years back a years, man do it and steal all of them. Nah, kill up himself. Yo, it's safe to say Alkaline are the girls them favorite person, the girl them favorite artist. The girl them out strong for the database. I remember said Alkaline show the right around the corner in England, man. So, you know, see a mad thing when the database jump out. A real torture when time the database reach over there. Remember say, the last time go over there saying I tear the place tear down. So if you see him over there again, a trouble. A more AI video you go see a circulate with girls. I put alkaline face like a them and them a kiss. Yo, it's crazy how the AI thinks so powerful and dangerous at the same time, dog. For no say, the girl them can do something like this, dog. Jano, what else can them really do? What else can them really do for put alkaline face on it? Beside of them, I'm kind of catch you cool, you know, so that's why I'm really kind of stutter in a way on the talker phone. But in other less, I said, you know, we have to get rid of it, but we still have to put in the work, see me. But, you know, as me I said, the video we want to see on the screen right now, what me I show we want to see earlier. The girl and alkaline, bro. And not even alkaline that, but you know, AI dangerous on a different level. The other day, I see them use that AI like a Jesus. Them I use a hug up dead people. Them I use Jesus AI for hug up dead people. Yo, Jano, this AI thing crazy. So people that can run with this and say, yo, alkaline girlfriend reveals herself and thing. So Jano, bro, it's crazy. It is crazy, bro. Oh, them I deal with the internet with AI. AI upon a different level, fam. But you remember, you know, remember, all who can go the new rules in England, or you know what to do already, you know, just jump out and if you can support the team, any way, shape, or form, you see me? But you know, I go already, man. Vibes and Insight with Nanda tune in, and a mad thing. I just find a video funny and find it intriguing for just showcase and show maybe a lot of them not see it, but for those who not see it, I hit this man. AI Alkaline and him girlfriend. I kiss dog Jano. You know it got already, man. A mad thing. Vibes and Insight. I'm out.
None of me ex when me woulda want back. More than my girl.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Me no know if you call that. And me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back. More than my girl, me no know if you call that. And me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back. More than my girl, me no know if you call that. And me no see none of me ex when me woulda want back.